Hi everyone, welcome to Avalue e-channel's web banners. I'm Jimmy from Applied Computing Divisions. Today, I would like to introduce how easily to get into the Ultimate with the Avalue Panel PC solutions. Okay, before we start our topics, I would like to show you that how the real world works in the factory automations. You can see in the pictures that in your right-hand side, it belongs to the OT sections. That is a lot of the sensors connect with the PLC or CNC controller like I/O modules via the protocol like CAN bus, Modbus through the USB or COM ports connect to the panel PC. And on the left-hand side, you can see a lot of these belongs to the IT sections. We send the sensor information to the IT sections and to do the analysis. We put that information into the database or the clouds and do a lot of the analysis via IoT gateway. That is how the real world works in the factory automations. So as a HMI turnkey solution providers, Avalue have a lot of the solution that connects the IT and the OT in together, becomes to the IIoT sections. Okay, now I think you already have the pictures that how the real world work for the factory automations. For the HMI panel PC solutions, shock and vibration is very important to the products because we want to make sure that our product is working in several kinds of the environments during the operating or non-operating, when we're shipping our products to another countries. So shock and vibrations have different types of the levels, like standard HMI, ruggedized HMI, and extreme ruggedized HMI. Those have different kind of the standard for the shock and vibrations. So today I would like to focus more in the ruggedized HMI that in our products, which is contains with a shock is 20G and at least 2 to 5G for the vibration sections in operating. As you can see here, we have a lot of the panel PC products, which is contained with the industrial automation sections, which is a ruggedized HMI, like industry and industrial monitors. But today, I would like to focus more on the ruggedized HMI sections. Okay, in the ruggedized HMI sections, we have ARC series and SPC series, which is contained with full IP65 with the stainless steel enclosures. But today, I will more focus on the ARC series that is modularized design for our HMI products. Now, I would like to share about the our design concept to the ARC series. The first one, I would like to talk about the platforms. As an Intel CPU, we cover the entry-level battery, Upper Lake, and also the Core i series, Skylake, Kaby Lake U, low power consumption sections. For the panel sections, we cover 4x3 and 16.9 from 10.4 up to 21.5 inches. And the touch technology, we cover resistive touch and pickups multi-touch as well. And for the appearance that we follow the Avalue CIS family looks design, and we keep in mind that ruggedized design is always the special feature for the ARC series for that. So especially for the water and dust proof, we contain the front IP65 and the front, and a rear side is IP41. And the last one, we are concerned about the maintainability and conductivity for the this panel PC. Like we have 2 service windows for the memory and storage, and also we have a lot of the expense on I/O via the Iet technology. Later on, I will introduce more about the Iet technology for the I/O sections. And also, for our ARC series is contained with in-band and out-band support. Here I would like to introduce that our ARC features I would like to highlight that to our customers. The first one is for the touch sections, we cover resist touch and also the pickup touch. The pickup touch is with a full flex design for that. And for the atom base, our working temperatures is -20 to 60. And for the Core i series, we are cover -10 to 15. And for ARC series is all wide input voltage up to 9 to 36. And for the shock and vibration that I already mentioned before, that's why it's so important for that, because our shock and vibration is a part for the military grade. For the whole ARC series is fanless design, and also for the IP65 in the front, and the rear side is IP41. Okay, here you can see that the service window that I mentioned before, that is a service window for the storage and also the memory. So customer can easily upgrade their memory or storage by just release 2 screws. The last one I would like to mention that is our Iet modules. Okay. Here is our Iet modules. Actually, for the ARC series, we have a lot of the I/O as a standard, like 2 LAN port, 2 COM port, and 4 USB ports. But in several kind of the scenario that customer meets in different kind of applications, sometimes they need more I/O to fix different kind of the demands for that. So we already designed up to 9 different Iet modules that contain with different kind of the I/O, like with the HDMI, and the audios, and isolation COM port, CAN bus, and GPIO as well. So if customer they still cannot use the standard Iet module, then we can customize design like OEM design for the customer. So customer can easily get the new Iet module within 4 or 5 weeks. For our ARC series, also contain with in-band and out-band service for that. So how important the in-band and out-band service for that? This is easily to get maintained for that. So we also have another section talk about the our narrative Sentinels 2 for the another web banner sections. So I would like to give more times for the narrative Sentinel 2 sections to another college. Here's the roadmap about the our ARC series. As you know that we cover the Atom base and Core i series, and we are more developed our new product like Alka Lake and Tiger Lake product in Q1 and Q2 as well. So our ARC series will get more and more products to fix different kind of the scenario and applications. Actually, for the ARC series standard products, we already can cover around 60 to 70% of the factory automation uses for that. But as a ruggedized HMI panel PC solutions, we provide a lot of the customization service to fit on another 30% of the another applications for that. So now I would like to introduce that different kind of customizations, how to fix into the different kind of applications, like the motherboard. We can do the customized BIOS for the customers, or do the motherboard coating, especially for the outdoor or high humidity environments applications. They need a lot of the customized for the motherboard sections. And for our ARC series, the A bonding is standard. But sometimes customers is looking for the more height brightness solutions via the optical bondings. We can do the optical bonding as well. And for the mounting, Mounting is like sometimes the HMI have to mounting in different kind of the environments, like in the wall, in the cabinet. So we have to provide a lot of the mounting solutions to our customers. The most customized sections service we provide to our customers is like panels. Sometimes standard panel brightness is not fixed to these applications. So customer is asking for high brightness panels for that. We can do the enhancements for the brightness as well. And also we can add the anti-scratch frames for that. Like sometimes using at the kiosk, we can do such kinds of the service for that. And for the touch sections, and this one also is a highly customized service for our customers. Like sometimes customers are asking for more thinness of the cover lens. They want to add the logo for that, and also they want to change the color of the cover lens for that. That is, for us, that is a very easy customized service to our customers. And the last one is like a coating. Sometimes, especially in outdoor applications, they need to do anti-reflections or anti-graze coating for that. For this kind of service, we have to do a lot of customizing to our customer to fix their different kind of applications and scenario, and make sure that this kind of customization can fix easily to our customers. Okay, here I would like to share with you that some example that we already do the customize to our customer. You can see in the pictures that it's one of the CNC customer. They would like to do the service buttons for the our ARC series, like emergency stop, and also the this different kind of the indicated lights for that. We do different kind of the customizing for that, so to fix their environments that can easily use for our customized service as a service button for that. Here you can see that another customized service for the surface coating treatments. You can see the difference around the anti-reflections, anti-fingerprints, and also the anti-graze. How the difference that customer can fix their demands in different kind of the application for that. So during the pandemics periods, COVID-19 is the pan for us. So a lot of the customers is asking for the antibacterial treatments for that. So we already provide AG18 treatments for our touch. So customer can easily to customize their touch for AG treatments to make the panel PC into antibacterial sections. Okay, I think you already have the idea that how strong that our ARC series can fix different kind of scenario and applications for different kind of the customer demands. So in the last sections, I would like to share with you that our ARC series already adapted by our worldwide customers that are in different kind of application scenario. The first one is from the Japan customer. It's picking systems for that. Okay. Actually, for these picking systems, customers want to make their warehouse paperless and also the labelless for that. So they are looking for the system that with the very high shock and vibrations contents for that. And also a lot of the I/O then can connect to the device like barcode scanners, like labeled printers, something like that. So in this picking system, actually this picking system is moving everywhere in the warehouse. So they need to make sure that when the operating systems is not influenced by the shock and vibrations during their operatings. So Actually, this customer is working more hard in the software environments and the developments, because this is a software company. So they are very concerned about the hardware longevity supplies. So in between that reason, that's why this customer is select our LC series as a picking system device for that. After the testing over 6 months, they are very happy about our performance and also the stability for the products. So in finals, they select our LC series as picking systems. And the next project that we want to share with you that is in India is blister packing machines. As you know that India is a very hot country. So they are very concerned about the working temperatures for the panel PC. So for our panel PC LRC series, they are select the atom-based. So our operating temperature actually is -20 to 16. That is easy to cover the temperatures requirements for the customers. Besides that, the expansion for the IoT modules can easily connect to their device with different kind of the port. As you know that the power supplies in India is not that stable, so customer is very concerned about the power supply issue. So we has already customized the power connectors to make sure that the power supply is very stable during their machine is working. So in this case, I would like to share with you that in this extreme country and very extreme environments requirements, our ARC series very easily to fix this kind of environments. And the next case I would like to share with you is our Japan company. This is a food factory company in Japan. It's a very famous one. And they are request for the HMI controller. As you see the pictures, we have customized the front bezel to fix their cabinet. Actually, this is a replacement for their next generations of the products. So they are very concerned about the IP65 rating. So when we customize the front bezel, we are very concerned about the waterproof and improvement for that. And also for the I/O sections, they need a lot of the I/O to connect to different kind of the device. And for the high performance, they require like a Core i5 power consumptions and low power consumption sections. So actually for our Core i5 is easily to fix their demands. Besides for the hardware sections, actually we do a lot of the software integrate that we customize the OS to our customer to fix their MES system for that. So with a lot of the integrations of the hardware and software, finally we win this project for the HMI controller. And another project that happens in Japan market is traditional HMI factory automation sections. Okay, you can see at the pictures that when I explain the IT and OT sections and in the beginnings, that this is a very standard uses in factory automations, that how customer process their HMI into the IT and OT sections. Okay, you can see that actually our customers connect the PLC with the LAN and COM ports, and also they connect the second display to show some information for that. And finally, they're using the GPIO and also the robot arms via the PLC. So this is how easy that customer can easily connect such kind of the OT device for that. Besides that, in the factory, there are requests for very high temperatures operating, like -20 to 60 degrees. So for our LC series, actually it's very easy to reach that. And in the factory, they are also concerned about the IP rating requirements. Okay, as I explained before, that our LC series, no matter in the front IP65 and also we provide the real IP41 waterproof and dashboard protection for that. So customers no need to worry about the real site IP renting sections. Besides that, this customer also asking for the customized OS support service from us, because they want to make sure that the customized service of the OS can fix easily to their MES systems. So we do a lot of the software developments can easily to make the whole system work perfectly in their factory. And the next one I want to share with you is the case, is a very interesting case that is the Tremors systems that happen in Germany. Actually, for this project, we are not the first choice for the customers. Actually, for this customer already test other competitors' products before, but they meet problems for the touch issue. So the customer actually back to see that how we can fix the touch sensitive problem for that. So as you know that touch sensitive adjustments is a kind of the customized service for us, and we can easily adjust the touch sensitive. As you know that the Tremors machines, actually when people exercise in the Tremor machines, that a lot of the strap in the touch panels. So this kind of scenario will cause the ghost touch effect. So in this customer, actually, they are very concerned about this kind of the ghost touch issues. So we are helping them to solve these kinds of problems. So finally, they are using our solution for the Tremor machines. And another issue that they meet is because they already developed these Tremor machines for very long times, but they are already opened the tooling for these machines. So actually for our LC series is contains with the panel mountings technology. So we can easily mounting our panel PC inside any kind of the cabinet. Actually, for this project, we are easily fix our panel PC into their existing tooling. So customer is very happy for that to solve their problem for this kind of the projects. Okay, the next one I would like to share with you is the project that is a ticket kiosk for the rapid trains in Japan. Okay, actually this customer is using our resistive touch solutions before. But they want to change with the Picket Touch, because as you know that Picket Touch is the future of the touch technology. So because they already designed their kiosk cabinets as shown in the pictures. So for our LC series, no matter for the Picket Touch or resistive touch versions, we can easily change without any dimensions change for that. So we already do the customized service for the Iet modules for this customer, because they are asking for one very special audio connector for that to connect to their system. And also for this kind of kiosk, they are asking for very high quality design and also the system stabilities and beside that also they are concerned about the performance for that. So for this case, they also testing this device over 3 months for that, and also they are very happy for the performance, no matter the performance or ability for that. So in this kind of the kiosk company, they are only concerned about the software developments. So for the hardware sections, they also concerned about the longevity and also the supports. Technical supports for the hardware section. So we are helping them to solve every kind of the hardware sections solutions for that. And the last one I would like to share with you is Finland's projects that happens for the outdoor payment system. As you know that our ARC series actually is working in very extreme ruggedized HMI environments. And for this kind of service, we do like several kinds of the customization for them. The first one is brightness enhancements. Because for this case actually is putting at the outdoor. So there are requests for the panel enhancements like 1000 nits. But this kind of customized service for us, like panel enhancements, very easily for us to reach for every models of the ARC series. And also for this outdoor payment system, they are very concerned about the UV, anti-UV and IR protection for that. Because you can imagine that when the outdoor payment system put in the outdoor, the sunlight is directly straight in the panel sections. So after using for a long time, the panel will become black or yellows, and they are getting damaged by the sunlight. So with the adding of the UV IR protections films, we can easily solve this kind of problems. And besides that, because Finland is a very high temperatures and low temperatures on different country, so there are requests for the coating for the motherboard, because they want to make sure that the high humidity for the motherboard is not infected by the operating. So we are doing the coating for the motherboard for these customers. This is a kind of the customization that we do for the auto payment systems. This is the end of my presentations. I think you already have a lot of the idea how strong and flexible that our Panel PC can do a lot in our automation sections. When you really get into the automate, think about Avalues. Thanks for your time and see you next time.